I wouldn't drive that. I drive that.
Don't waste your hard-earned money on any used car. Octane Auto Sales specializes in the under $8,000 cars. Get a clean, reliable ride that you'll love to drive. Octane Auto Sales at the corner of Transit and Genesee, where you'll be saying,
Oh, I drive that.
.com.